Hello children, welcome to a new chapter called pair of linear equations in two variables, most applied one. Today just I will introduce some basic terms. Equation, all this familiar to us. What is an equation? Equation we know, it is a mathematical statement. Statement means it may be greater, lesser or equal. If in case of equation, that statement has what? Equality sign. Hence, an equation is a statement. Means it is the statement relates two expressions, algebraic expressions, in which two algebraic expressions are equal. If that relation is equal, we say equation. Simple example, 2x minus 3 equal to say some what 12 like that. Okay, or maybe some 2x minus 3 equal to any number 12, 5, 1 and so on. Let it be 1 itself. Okay children. So therefore this is what a statement. This is an expression. Even this is also an expression with degree 1 constant that we know. These two are linked by equal. Need not be anything. Even it can be 0 or 1x, 5x, anything. That's what equation, the most familiar common one, we know it. Next, linear. There are different types of equations. Our chapter is pair of linear equations in two variables. Hence, to understand that, first we shall have just a recall on those what we have studied in our previous classes. The next is linear equation. Linear equation we know an equation whose degree is 1. Linear equation in one variable. Therefore, linear equation may have more than one variable. Here the question, the heading is very clear. Linear equation in one variable. What is that? An equation which involves only one variable with the highest power 1. If the highest power, what do you mean by that? Degree is 1. Then we say called linear equation in one variable. Simple example, say 3x minus 7 equal to 23. Okay. In this, which is the variable? X is the variable. What is its degree? 1. What is the degree? The highest power. We say what? Linear equation in one variable. And why this is called linear? We know the graph of this. Whenever the degree of any equation, the linear, that means having variable 1. If what the degree is 1, the graph will be a straight line. That's why it is named so. Linear equation in one variable, linear equation. Next, very important thing is this. We have solved many equations in 8th and 9th, even in primary. Solution of linear equation in one variable. What is the solution? Even we could say as what? Root. The value of the variable which satisfies the given linear equation is called the solution or the root of the given linear equation. Just look at, let us take the same example children. Just you see this. 3x minus 7 equal to 23. The same example. How to get the solution? The solution is this. Therefore, just you transfer the constant to the right, 23 plus 7. Therefore, x equal to 23 plus 7, 30 by 3. Therefore, x equal to 10. Now this is what we say the root or solution. Look at children now. The value of the variable which satisfies the given linear equation. What do you mean by that? Satisfies. Now let us take this given equation. Now we got x equal to 10. Let us verify this. by taking LHS 3x minus 7. Okay, here we say x equal to 10 is what? The solution or root. What is that? The value of the variable which satisfies. In this case, in case of equation means what is that satisfies true etc. means left hand side must be equal to right side. Now here by substituting the value of this 3 into 10 minus 7 30 minus 7 23. This is LHS. This is what we said satisfying. What is the meaning of that? Here for the value of x equal to 10 we got LHS 23. Just look at RHS 23. Then only the value of the variable is known as what? Solution. Now therefore here LHS equal to RHS equal to what? 23. Okay. I hope you got the meaning of solution, children. Now we shall take some more basic terms. Now linear equations in two variables. A linear equation in two variables. Say now what? X and y is in the following form: ax plus by plus c. Here x and y are the variables. A, B, C are the constants, real constants. Where A, B, C are real constants. And quite interesting factor is this, children. A square plus B square is supposed to be not equal to 0. What is this? When we do some numerical problems, you will get clear idea. Therefore, by doing numericals, okay, then I will give you complete idea about this condition. A square plus B square not equal to 0 is called a linear equation in two variables. Okay, how to get the solution? See here, in case of solution for linear equation in one variable, x minus 5 equal to 10 means x equal to 15. 15 minus 5, 10. Therefore, 15 satisfies. Just we will have only one solution. But in case of linear equation in two variables, now let us check what the meaning of solution. Any pair, because there are two variables. Any pair of values of x and y, any pair of values of x and y which satisfies. What is that satisfies? That pair. That pair both together. The equation ax plus by plus c equals 0. Here what is the meaning of satisfies means if we substitute the value of x1 y, then we get 0 right side. Where a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0 is called solution of the given equation. Just let us take this example. See here, this is the equation. 5x plus 3y equal to 4. X minus 5 equal to 10, x equal to 15. Okay, there in such cases, be very clear. Linear equation in one variable, it is very clear that we will have only one solution. Linear equation in two variable, just take this equation, one equation, 5x plus 3y equal to 4. 5x plus 3y equal to 4, x and y are the variables. Now just here, take this x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 2. 5 into 2, what children? 10. 5 into 2, 10. Next, 3 into y is minus 2, minus 6. So therefore, 10 minus 6 is what? 4. Thus, x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 2. This pair, 2 and minus 2, is a solution. Look at what is a solution means there are many. One pair is this. Follow that. Okay, just I will give fraction of second. Just think over it. Is there any other possible to get 4 such that the value of x and value of y, if we substitute, we must get 4, not this 2 and minus 2. Here in case of pair of, that means linear equation in two variables, the solution is not unique. We will have many, whereas here it is unique. Know that difference, children. Okay, can you guess one more pair? One more pair, such that if you substitute in place of x and place of y, we should get 4. Okay, I will give you minus 1 and 3. When x equal to minus 1, 5 into minus 1, minus 5, 3, y equal to 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 5 is what? 4. So therefore, we have one more pair. What is that? Minus 1, 3. So like that, these are called what? The solutions. Hence, any pair of values of x and y, any pair of values of x and y which satisfies, means right side whatever we have in general, if we substitute right side we must get 0, like that satisfies, then that pair is our solution. Okay children. Next children, now the heading is this, pair of linear equations in two variables. So just now we have discussed what? Pair of, not pair, linear equation in two variables. Now we will take a system. That system has two. What is that? Pair of linear equation in two variables. What is the simple definition or the meaning is this? Any two equations, linear equations with the two variables of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This system of equation we say what? Pair of linear equation in two variables. See the definition. Two linear equations in the same variables, say x and y, are called pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay. What are these here? The most general form of pair of linear equations. If it is just a linear equation in two variables, means ax plus by plus c equal to 0. When the term pair comes, we are using this subscripts. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. In the pair, this is the first one. In the second, a2x, b2y, c2. Okay. This system we say what? Pair of linear equations. The standard form, the general form of pair of linear equations, where a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 are real constants, 2x, 3y, 5, like that. And one more important condition is this. In case of just a linear equation in two variable, what is the condition? A square plus b square not equal to 0. In case of system, we have a1 square plus b1 square not equal to 0, a2 square plus b2 square not equal to 0. After solving some numericals, again I will give you the meaning of those two conditions in detail. Children, we will continue in the next class with some more basic definitions, and then we will take problems. Okay, thank you children.